Hi, ready to get a little smarter? Do you know what this means?
The first definition of confirm. You can prove the truthfulness or accuracy of what you previously believed, suspected or feared was the case. For example, if these fears are confirmed, the outlook for the economy will be dire. The second definition of confirm. Assist in the religious rites of confirmation. For example, he had been baptized and confirmed. American pronunciation. Confirm. Confirm. Repeat the word after me. As you repeat the word, keep the definition in mind to train your brain to master it. Confirm. Say. Confirm. Confirm means establish truth or correctness of. Confirm. Confirm. Confirm origin. Middle English is a combination of Old French confirmer and Latin confirmare. It comes from the Latin con, together, plus firmare, strengthen, from firmus, firm. Practice. Listen to what I say, then pause the video and repeat after me. Train your brain to master this word. Let's begin. The first practice. That truth has been confirmed by a survey today. Now, repeat after me. That truth has been confirmed by a survey today. The second practice. So this crisis summit at least confirms one apparently forgotten truth. Now, repeat after me. So this crisis summit at least confirms one apparently forgotten truth.
Good job! Now you're way smarter. Subscribe right now and learn another new word every day.